Big data can mean big opportunities. It can also mean big risks. Data breaches have cost Sony, Yahoo, and MasterCard millions. No company is immune to this ever-growing threat. Protect your organization by privatizing the sensitive data in your enterprise applications. But privatizing just one application can be challenging. Which data needs to be protected? Where's the data located? How much will it cost? To quickly and cost-effectively privatize data across the enterprise, you need the Data Masking Factory for InfoSphere Optim, an IBM-approved solution that combines the requirements, analysis, design, build, and documentation steps of an InfoSphere Optim data masking project into one highly automated step. This saves time and money, but most importantly, it protects sensitive data should your systems ever get breached. A global professional services firm recently used the Data Masking Factory to mask over 100 million rows of sensitive data across 18 applications in only 14 weeks. The Data Masking Factory provided nearly $20 billion in data privacy protection, all for less than the cost of a high-end sports car.